Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this lecture we are going to create our very first HTML page. So in this lecture we are going to create our HTML web page. So this is the moment where we start writing real HTML code. So don't worry if you are a complete beginner. I will explain everything step by step using very easy words. By the end of this video, you will understand HTML structure, HTML tags, head tags, body tags, how to create your first web page. So without any delay, let's begin. So first we're gonna see what is an HTML document. So every web page on the internet follows a structure. So just like every house needs a foundation, like that every web page needs a structure. So HTML provides that structure. So without structure, the browser will not understand our web page properly. So let me write the basic HTML structure. So this is our web HTML structure. So don't worry if it looks confusing. We'll understand each line one by one. So first we're gonna see this one HTML. This is called HTML tag. So this one called HTML tag. It tells the browser this document contains HTML code. HTML code. So almost all HTML code is written inside these tags. So think of it as a big box that contains the entire web page. So now we're gonna understand inside the HTML tag we have this head tag. So the head section stores the information about the web page. Stores info of web page. Info means information. So example page title, character settings, link to CSS files, link to JavaScript files, and for now we only use the title tag. So example, as I mentioned, as I written my first web page. So this title appears on the browser tab. The information is usually not shown directly on the web pages. So now we're gonna see our body tag. So this is our body tag. So this is the most important section. Everything that users see on the web page goes inside the body tag. Examples, headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, and tables and forms. Anything visible on the web page is placed inside the body tag. So the body tag. So everything in the web page goes under body tag. So this is the basic structure of the HTML. So let us create our first web page. So for that you need to open VS Code. So now let me go to the VS Code. So right now we are at the VS Code. I have created a file named index.html. This .html is mandatory because you are telling the compiler that the file is in HTML format. So it understands that you are typing the code for HTML. So let us type code for our web page. So I'm going to type now. So let me fast forward from here. So I have written the code. So save this file, save this HTML file. So index.html, make sure the extension is .html. Now double click on the file and you need to open the, you need to click on the open with live server. So it's going to take some time. So we have successfully created our first web page. Hope this video is helpful for everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.